This millet is fantastic for women. This is very important in terms of large-scale human health, which has become a serious problem. There is such a level of anemia all over the world, particularly for the female population. There is also a problem of porosity of bones being high at certain stages in a woman's life, and this millet can make a tremendous difference for both. But somehow it got bad press that it is a poor man's food and it doesn't give you social prestige, but it gives you health, well-being and nourishment. Well, we've been using millets right from our childhood, but now it's important that we bring it to the entire population, the whole world in some way, because this is very important in terms of large-scale human health, which has become a serious problem. And the nutritional deficiencies are due to single cereal consumption and a massive diabetic pandemic happening all over the world.
In 2023, millets took center stage as the year of millets. These ancient grains offer various nutritional benefits and are also ecologically sustainable. So when we say millets, what are we exactly referring to? Ever heard of pearl millet or bajra, finger millet or ragi, foxtail millet or navane, little millet or samai, sorghum or jawar, and kodo millet, which is also known as araka? Once these were a staple, but today they've been overshadowed by the modern refined wheat and rice. In this video, Sadhguru has majorly tackled ragi because it is supposed to be the king of millets. Ragi's potential boon for women's health is due to its rich nutritional content. Ragi or finger millet provides vital vitamins, minerals and dietary fiber, and as awareness grows, there's renewed interest in integrating millets into the modern diets for sustainable nutrition.
I must tell all of you, the ladies of the world, I must tell you, ragi is the most female-friendly cereal you can consume. This millet is fantastic for women. It has the highest amount of calcium in among all the grains and also very high levels of iron, which is an issue. One is across the world, there is such a level of anemia all over the world, particularly for the female population. There is also a problem of porosity of bones being high at certain stages in a woman's life, and ragi can make a tremendous difference for both. So, most of the cooking I still believe, unless you're eating only from food apps, I still believe home cooking largely is still by women, and they must pick up these cereals and make sure everybody eats this. Not that it's not good for men, it's good for everybody, but I'm saying there are special advantages for a woman because certain lack of nourishment in certain areas of nourishment has been an issue because of single cereal consumption, and not everybody is able to maintain other aspects of nutritional aspects very well. For all of them, ragi can make a tremendous difference. Ragi, a very important cereal of subcontinent, and particularly when we were growing up in Karnataka, it was very much a part of daily consumption everywhere, but somehow it got bad press that it is a poor man's food and it doesn't give you social prestige, but it gives you health, well-being and nourishment.
Unfortunately, what we are doing in our country is we are consuming a single cereal, such as we are only eating the refined wheat or rice. Consuming single cereals regularly for all three meals over an extended period of time has been scientifically associated with several lifestyle disorders. You know, right? India is a diabetes capital. That's because when you eat refined wheat and rice, your glycemic index increases, which causes a spike in your sugar levels. Not only this, but refined grains have been linked to so many chronic diseases: hypertension, blood pressure, thyroid, PCOD, etc. Today, what are we eating for breakfast? Cornflakes, muesli, not realizing that they are packed and processed with flour, sugar and flavors that massively mess with our sugar levels. Plus, all that processing strips away the good stuff from the grains. Instead, consider substituting with oatmeal or healthy millet preparations such as a ragi mudde, ragi porridge. You can learn various ragi and millet recipes by joining our online cooking program, details of which are there on our website, shloka.com, under the online program section. Relying solely on rice for your meals can increase the risk of obesity and diabetes, also due to its starch and carbohydrate content. So opt for brown rice, wild rice, bamboo rice, red rice, black rice, which contains fiber, vitamin B12, alongside starch, carbohydrates, and a lot of other nutrition, which does not get stripped away in the refinement process.
To get free tips on food, health, Ayurveda, lifestyle, and yoga by Sadhguru, please join our WhatsApp and Telegram link below.